You're watching the Players Network.
My name is Mindy Cruz, and I'm a player, and you're watching the Players Network.
A girlfriend of mine actually was the one that inspired me to be a Hooters girl. She was in the calendar, she did the contest, and she told me about how much fun she had, and really was like, you should do it, you should go be a Hooters girl, so I did it. I have been with the Hooters for 5 years. This is my fifth year in the pageant. I've been in the calendar for 4 years, hopefully going on 5. I love Hooters, and I wouldn't mind. I'm always asking my corporate office, my franchise, hey, give me an office job. Afterwards, after my whole thing, of course, the goal here for the contest is to win. You know, you want to win really, really bad, but it's not going to hurt me or make me cry if I don't, because I've already gotten to my goal. I got 4th place, and how can you do better than that? You know, that's awesome. I've gone farther than I ever expected, so it's good. What do I do? It's $50,000. So really, honestly, probably put a down payment on a small house, and put it away for school and go back to school. What do I find attractive and sexy in a guy? I'm an eyes person. I love light eyes and a guy that really, really looks right at me, and confidence but not cockiness. That's my complete turn off. I think I have more turn offs than turn ons. Has to be. I was doing a calendar signing. I had a haltered tank top on, and it was bike week of all things, and I guess my shirt went over and you could see my top, and nobody figured it out for the longest time. I was sitting there and I figured out why the guys were like pointing and stuff, and I looked down and I'm like, oh my god, my nipple was out. So yeah, that was definitely embarrassing. Being here with all these girls, you know, it's my 5th year, but my very first year I was so scared that the girls were gonna tear me apart and be mean, but Hooters, that's what I love about Hooters. You can go anywhere, and even though you don't know that person, you still feel like you do, because you're all in the same boat, and everybody's so nice. You would think that 130 girls would be really catty, but it's awesome. Everybody's so sweet and so nice and so helpful, and ready to eat dinner and lunch together and do everything together, so it's a good experience. Advice to Hooters girls, be energetic, be happy, go for it. When I was very first a Hooters girl, I was really shy, really nervous, and you get used to it. You know, after a while, you get used to talking to people and getting out there and being friendly, being that Hooters girl type.
This has been a presentation of Players Network. When you want Vegas, PlayersNetwork.com brings Vegas to you. Gambling excitement, the hottest shows, and the wildest nightlife. On demand, anytime you want.
That's hot.
Sin City, baby. PlayersNetwork.com. Chat live with sexy Vegas showgirls, celebrities, and the world's greatest poker players. PlayersNetwork.com, where your Vegas fantasies come true.